Today, I'm going to answer a viewer's questions about mental diets. So let's talk about that. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So I'm a law of attraction coach, and today I'm going to answer Kathy Pham's question about mental diets. And just before I do, if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below, because I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. And if you're looking to create a success story in your life and manifest something wonderful, check out the description below. There's details on how to sign up for email coaching. And there's currently no wait list for the email coaching with the email coaching team. Anyways, let's start on Kathy's question. So Kathy's question is, I'm curious. I'm reading it off of the iPad here. I'm curious. When you put yourself on a mental diet, how long does it take for things to manifest? I get so impatient waiting for things to manifest. It seems like it takes forever. Do you have any tips for speeding up the process or dealing with impatience? So, first question is, how long does it take for things to manifest for me when I put myself on a mental diet? Okay, so I am constantly on a mental diet, okay? My constant question that goes through my head is, do I really want to create that? So just in fact, as an example, earlier today I had to go out. And I had to go to this place where I had an appointment. And so I was going to be early. So I said to myself, I was like, oh, you know what? I got to go there. I'm like, I hope there isn't a lot of people. I hope I don't need to wait. And I was like, no, Amanda, do you really want to create that? No. I said, I intend for the place to be empty and I intend to get in early. And sure enough, you know what? I got in a half an hour early. I was in and out. And yeah, I got home basically the time that my appointment would have been. So check. And, so basically a mental diet is, I do it constantly for everything. Now, some things manifest overnight and some things take a little bit longer. Some things manifest immediately. I think what the trick is, how do we deal with impatience? And I think that is the major thing here. So basically how I look at it, right, is it's like going to McDonald's and ordering, a burger, fries, and asking for ketchup. And they give you your order, and then all of a sudden in the bag, you see that there is no ketchup, right? You've got two choices at that point. You can sit there and complain and question why they gave you no ketchup to yourself, or you can really just walk back up and say, hey, excuse me, would you mind giving me some ketchup? And that's very much how I look at creating is, I send in my order. I'd like a burger, fries, and ketchup, please. And then when I get my order back and I see I got the burger and fries, but I've got no ketchup, what do? I say, can I please get some ketchup? I don't even bother wondering why it isn't in the bag or why she didn't give it to me or anything like that. So, impatience is, again, if you're getting impatient, we're not dealing with we're not staying on the mental diet. A mental diet very much does include the question of, why didn't it happen yet? What's going on? Why hasn't it manifested? Those questions are all looking from lack. Now, if you were living in the end and thinking from the end, saying, you know what, I've already got it. When you would look around and see that the email hasn't shown up, it'd be like, no, it's going to come. I know it's going to come. I intend for the email to come. I intend for him to call me. I intend to get that job. I intend to tell me I got that job. So it's really about when you look for something and you see it hasn't manifested yet, instead of wondering why it hasn't shown up, why isn't it coming, what you did wrong, it's about just saying and restating, doing reordering, asking for the ketchup. Hey, where's my email? Hey, where's my text message? Hey, where's that guy? Hey, where's that girl? Where is Jerry? So it's about looking for what does show up rather than what doesn't show up. Because if we're constantly looking and saying, why isn't this showing up? Why isn't this showing up? It's not going to show up. So I intend for him to text me. I intend for him to text me every day. Oh, he hasn't texted me today. Why hasn't he texted? No, I know he's going to text me. I know my thoughts great. He is going to text me. Okay, so if you're getting impatient, you're going off your mental diet. Because again, we're going into lack. We're going into why isn't it happening? That's only creating more of it not happening, right? So it's really every single little thought that we have that makes the hugest difference. I intend for this video to be good. I intend for everybody that watches this video to create something wonderful and to get past the block of impatience, because impatience is really an emotion that you create with your thoughts by wondering why it hasn't shown up yet, right? No, I know it's going to show up. It's going to happen. It's on its way. And it will be. It's in those moments. So, next time you look in your bag of McDonald's and there's no ketchup in there, instead of questioning why it isn't there, just say, hey, ketchup, please. Put your order back into the universe, and yeah, the universe will respond. Anyways, that's my video for today. You guys are all amazing. And I intend that you guys are all going to create something wonderful in your life, because you guys all deserve it. You're powerful gods, and your thoughts create. You guys really can do, and have anything that you want. Okay? Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. And we'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye.